What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video, back with a review. A distributor just sent me a product, and I want to share it with you guys before I even open it. I haven't opened it. He said it's more coming, but he said again, this is above the trend. So if you can find products like this, you should do it, because when he says they're going to resell, they usually do. Now, if I want to be a motivational speaker, or if I was to give you guys a motivational speech or some pep talk from what I'm going through this week, I just want to say keep moving forward. In all of my videos, I try, instead of just like getting right into the reselling and you know, into the whole aspect of, yeah, this is the product that is to buy, that you should buy, and do this and that, I try to like give you guys a little bit of backstory, because as I'm filming this video, it's Saturday, it's February 1st, and you're probably seeing this later, obviously, but today I'm going through it. And products, in my opinion, are a really good source of income, because you know those days where you feel like not even doing anything, or maybe you come home from work and you just like, I ain't feeling it. Like, I got personal problems going on, or I'm not feeling myself. Products will always be up on those platforms you list them on to sell, no matter how you feel. And keep it moving forward. Like, no matter what you're going through, believe in yourself, stay steadfast and strong, and understand that no matter what storm you're in, you'll be able to get through it. All right? And you got to stay locked in, because the world keep moving while you're going through problems. So don't ever let your problems dictate your actions, okay? Now, this is the product that the wholesaler sent me. I'm going to be honest, charging pads or these little stands, he sent me a 3-in-1. The little pad that has the MagSafe charger. It charges the MagSafe. It charges the phone with the MagSafe charger, charges your AirPods and your Apple Watch all together. And that one was really good and it sold. But these are expensive, okay? I believe this was, I'm trying to remember, he said he sells this for $18 or $17, either or. He would sell this to me for $18 to $17. You guys in the comment, let me know, should I invest in this? We gonna open it together. I swear to you, I never opened it. I've never opened this. I just took the tape off before the video, so I'm not struggling with it. But the manual fell out. So yeah. So look at the packaging. Let's look at the packaging. I think the packaging is nice. I think if I put this on the wall, this would sell itself. It shows the package of what it has, and it says mobile phone can be charged horizontally or vertically. 3-in-1 wireless charging solution makes charging more convenient and faster. Then the back has this, and then it says 3-in-1 wireless charger, foldable, charging multiple devices, charging safely, wireless fast charging, color LED lights. Oh, okay. All right. So anyway, let's open it. So, okay, I don't want to rip the box. So you open it. Okay, it's this. Okay, and it comes with a long cable. I will say that is an A+, because a lot of these don't come with long behind chargers. This got to be like a 6-foot charger. So I like that. Ooh, it smells new. It definitely has a new smell. Okay. But yeah, this is the charger, and you can tell this is a long charger. Comes with the manual. Manual is this in English? The manual is in English. Hold up now. Very small one, but okay. Okay. I like it. And it gives you the specs right here for if you need to put anything on TikTok Shop or take a picture of it. All right. Okay. This is it. This is how it comes with this plastic bag. I love the plastic bags because the plastic bags give it like a little sleek look. And it has a, is this for a speaker, or is this because it needs to vent? heat. Maybe heat. You can see like the motherboard, I think, but I like it. It's very sleek. Very sleek. Very, very sleek. Okay. So what we're going to need to do though is we're going to need to, oh no we don't, because I got one. We're going to charge this up. Okay, so here, I guess you can do it flat and you can do it like this. So if you lift it up, what it seems to be is a kickstand that goes and it's, wait. A kickstand, right? Oh yeah, I don't know what the heck. Kickstand. Okay. Guess this is how it goes. So this is how it looks. I like it. I mean, yeah, it's stable. Okay. All right, so plug this up. Okay. All right. You know, I like this. I like the lighting. Then it got something right. I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's so that the phone doesn't fall. All right, hold on. Let's see something real quick. So I'm already using something that a buyer sent me real quick. But let me take that off. Let me take this off. All right, let's see. All right. So I don't know what, if y'all could see, it's like a little indent thing right here. But I'm assuming, oh, that's for the phone. Okay. I mean, okay. Okay. And look, so with a lot of the cheap docks, right? What happens is they don't tell you this because the ones you get from AliExpress, Alibaba, and this is why I don't like really resell a lot of these, but I might mess with this because this feels expensive with me holding it, and it also looks nice. And I don't know if you guys can see, but look at how the camera, right? You see how the camera is almost got the phone sticking up. With a lot of adapters with the newer devices, the phones won't charge sitting like this because the back of this camera is holding it up a little bit. But on this one, it's charging perfectly fine. So I like that. It has a space for a AirPods charging case and also an Apple Watch. I like the blue light, and I think you could take the light off if you need to, if you're sleeping. That is important. There are a lot of charging docks that don't let you turn the light off, which then you're sleeping next to a night light every night that you may not want to be sleeping next to. Okay. So guys, again, this dock is, I believe it's $17, $18 that they're charging me. Before I list it up on WESPLY.com, you already know I'm going to try it myself. Wait. Oh, it got 2 slots. So I could have it like that, or I could have it like that. What I like about it is I can watch movies, I could do certain things with this, and you can also sit it flat. So you can actually put your phone just laying down on it, and it still charges it. I like that. So again, I like the packaging. The packaging gets an A for me, obviously, because to have this type of packaging, just simple, but also have it to where it describes what the product is, no Apple logos or nothing like that. That's really nice, and I like the fact that it has the color, and I just like how simple it is, but also sleek. So again, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Would you buy this for $18? Me, it's a yes, because I know I could probably sell this for around $25 to $30. And also it does provide a need that a lot of people needs. It also has the ability to turn this light off. It has a kickstand. It also can lay flat. It's not that big either. Okay, now there are smaller docks, but this one is more so like a dock that I think you can use not just to charge your device, but also a statement piece in your bedroom, like something that looks nice, like it fits in. right? I could definitely see me putting this in my bedroom. So guys, let me know what you guys think about this, and we'll talk in the comments. If you have any questions, please ask me. And again, if you need any wholesale products, definitely go to wesply.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.